How to fix a paper jam on your Canon printer, that is the TR7120. So there's multiple places where you can check for stock paper. So let's start with the easiest place to check first is right over here. You're going to stick your finger and going to pull the drawer completely out of the printer. There's a good chance that your paper jam comes from the paper input. Maybe the printer has taken the paper the wrong way. So tilt the printer slightly on its back and check around this roller over here. This is where most papers get stuck. These rollers are trying to grip on the paper, and if it comes crooked inside, well, it will make a mess and it will jam. So if you see any paper, simply with your fingers or a pair of tweezers, go ahead and pull it out. Make sure it's all clean there. If your paper jam is not coming from this specific spot, let me go on the next one. You will have to turn the printer around, and it has a special door made for paper jams. Simply stick your finger and push towards the right side. You're gonna remove this, and that's another place where paper gets often stuck on this model. So take a look, and if you see anything wrong, take the paper out with a pair of tweezers or your fingers. To put this small lid back, you simply have to make sure it's properly aligned and then push it. Okay, and finally the last place you can check, open the top lid of your printer and take a look. You see this cartridge carriage should be able to move freely left and right the way it is right now. If this thing gets stuck on the way, because there's a paper probably there, well, you're going to get the paper jam error on the display. So take a look closely everywhere to see if there's any paper jam. And if you don't see anything at this point, take also a look under the carriage, under the ink cartridge carriage. Maybe there's a paper stuck under it, and this is what's triggering that error. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me where was your paper stuck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.